Established in 2002, Daffodil International University is one of the renowned universities of Bangladesh, serving for the welfare and betterment of the education of this country by developing many fresh graduates as well as creating successful entrepreneurs. This university is the only university in Bangladesh which guides students to become entrepreneurs. Permanent campus. Daffodil International University has the largest green campus among all the private universities of Bangladesh. The permanent campus of DIU is situated in about 160 acres of land at Ashulia. There are residential halls for both students and faculty members, library, cafeteria, TSC, auditorium, playground, swimming pool, prayer hall, transport pool, gymnasium, departmental faculty, research center, and an ICT center in the permanent campus. Quality education. Daffodil International University always works for the educational development of all kinds of sectors in Bangladesh, as this institute believes to spread quality education to not only national students but also international ones. One student, one laptop. In the backdrop of the rapid spread of one-to-one computing globally, DIU is distributing laptops among students to use on personal basis and thus helps them to face the challenges of a globalized world. Academic diversity. DIU offers a variety of programs under the Faculty of Science and Information Technology, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Business and Economics, Faculty of Humanities and Social Science, and the Faculty of Allied Health Science. Ranking and recognition. DIU has achieved several ranking and recognitions which are very much prideful to all its students, such as DIU achieved QS World University Rankings 2019 Asia. DIU achieved top ranks in World Ranking Programming Contest by URI USA. DIU ranked top in Bangladesh and 158th globally at UI Green Metric World University Rankings 2018. DIU is the third-ranked university among all private universities in Bangladesh. DIU is the third-ranked university among all private universities in Webometrics Impact Rank in Bangladesh. DIU is the top-ranked university assessed by UGC. Scholarship. DIU has initiated several scholarship programs for the benefit and development of its current students and especially for the needy students, such as Talent Hunt Scholarship, Freedom Fighter Quota, Financial Aid Waiver, Result-Based Waiver, Need-Based Waiver, Sibling Waiver and Spouse Waiver, Daffodil College Waiver, EduLoan. Entrepreneur Networks. DIU produced more than 4,000 entrepreneurs worldwide and established Business Incubator, Entrepreneurs Club, Venture Capital Limited, Startup Market, Startup Bangladesh, Bachelor of Innovation and Entrepreneurship, Entrepreneurship Guidance Program EGP, Industrial and Innovation Park, Enterprise Competitiveness Institute ECI, Startup Market and Lab, Marketing Lab, Animation Lab, Startup Restaurant and Cafe, Startup Grind, Young Women Entrepreneurs Forum, Are You the Next Startup, Entrepreneurship Development Fund, etc. DIU has introduced Industry Academia Lecture Series to promote and encourage young new entrepreneurs. It takes part in HALT, Global Money Week, TEDx Daffodil, Startup Huddle, Get in the Ring, Daffodil ICT Carnival and Global Entrepreneurship Network, DCCI E2K Project, Global Entrepreneurship Summer Camp, International Social Business Summer Program, Global Entrepreneurship Research Network, Global Entrepreneurship Camp GEC, Global Entrepreneurship Week, Daffodil Alumni UK Reunion, among others. Library. DIU has its own decorated and fully organized library with several kinds of facilities like individual desk, silence room, group study room, e-book services, locker system, project thesis hard copy and soft copy, online project thesis submission opportunity, book searching system, Koha software, book check-in check-out system, book renew system, etc. All kinds of academic books, newspapers and journals are very much available here. Students of any department are free to sit, study and take books from here for their personal study, which is tracked by the online tracking system. Lab and amenities. Daffodil International University endeavors to provide its students adequate laboratory facilities in each semester, especially for the science and engineering students. DIU tries to procure sophisticated equipments for laboratory from home and abroad, especially from the USA, the UK, Australia, Japan, China, South Korea, Taiwan, India, etc. PC and mobile purchase schemes. To avail a PC and necessary training available and affordable to students, DIU provides several PC and mobile purchase schemes for the students by Daffodil Computers. Students can improve their learning and working skills to build good careers by using modern technology. Gymnasium. The management of DIU provides the gymnasium facility for students and employees situated in the basement of Daffodil Tower. The gym is set up with modern fitness equipments to ensure a balanced mental and physical routine. Hostel facilities. DIU has arranged spacious, secure, convenient and separate residences and hostels for male and female students where students reside in comfort and in an environment conducive to study. Virtual University. DIU is fully automated and all its activities are done or recorded in the virtual university. Every student and guardian can see any information relating to payment, admission, results, course offering and others online. Strong alumni. The Daffodil International University Alumni Association works to bring all the graduates under one community. More than 20,000 alumni are working in their professional life and many of them are holding important positions in a diverse category of organizations. Many are pursuing their career abroad. Research Center. DIU has its own research center which is renowned for publishing many national and international research papers and journals. Students can also submit their research papers here for foreign recognition and scholarship. Unique courses. For the facilitation and ethical growth, DIU runs a mandatory course for all students, naming Art of Living. The course Employability 360 allows students to harness their employability skills. HRDI. Human Resource Development Institute HRDI, approved by the University Grants Commission UGC, has been established to position itself as the center for promoting excellence in education, learning development and research. Its vision is to improve quality in education at all levels in Bangladesh and to convert people to human resources for the global market. CDC. The Career Development Center CDC of Daffodil International University was established in 2005 with the aim of providing essential technical assistance and academic support to DIU students so that they can gain employment skills and present themselves in the job market both locally and internationally with the required level of efficiency. ICT facilities. Daffodil International University is well known for its ICT-related activities and development. So this university provides all kinds of ICT facilities to its students to make them very much specialized in all kinds of technological fields related to the job sector. Transportation facility. This university has its own vehicles and online-based transport management system. This facility serves both employees, teachers and students of the main campus and the permanent campus. Competitive tuition fees. DIU provides accessible rates in all tuition fees for the national and international students. DIU always tries to give better education services in obtainable tuition rates. Insurance. DIU has initiated the insurance policy system for the students. Now, for the first time in Bangladesh and probably all over the world, DIU is ensuring the insurance for the parents to secure the future of their children. As a result, if the parent dies, the institute will bear the whole educational expenses of the student. DIU Forum. DIU has its own forum where everyone from this university can write about their creative and innovative ideas in their respective or favorite fields and topics. They can write freely in this platform to grow and develop their inner creativity. Auditorium. DIU always encourages all kinds of cultural activities of students. That's why there is a huge auditorium named Shadhinata Convention Hall in the permanent campus for providing all kinds of program support. Besides, the Auditorium 71 provides program facility for the students of the main campus. Online teaching evaluation. DIU is always concerned about ensuring quality education. That's why there is online teaching evaluation system to track about the teaching performance of every faculty of this university. Campus Radio, Campus TV. DIU has its own Campus Radio, Campus TV channel. Various kinds of programs are live telecasted so that all students can enjoy them from their respective campuses. DIU Medical Center. There is a medical center of this university for any kind of emergency medical service for its employees and students, which is available anytime. HRDI, CDC and DSA. Supporting wings named Human Resource Development Institute HRDI, Directorate of Student Affairs DSA and Career Development Center CDC help students boost up their skills by meeting up their various needs. One-stop service. DIU is providing one-stop service for the development of its students. Jibika Project. There is also Jibika Project under this university which works for the poor and helpless people to make them entrepreneurs by lending them money with low interest. DISS. Daffodil Institute of Social Sciences DISS is a working organ of this university which works for the welfare of homeless and helpless children all over the country. Daffodil International University has reached a position of honor and trust all over the country by providing better educational facilities and other described supports. DIU is the right place for the students to shape up a successful career with state-of-art amenities and quality education.